Hello friends, I am Edward Arpit Saxena. You are most welcome at my YouTube channel The Law Ramp Up. Here I will discuss a very important issue, that is how can wife claim maintenance from her husband under section 125 CRPC. So the first important thing is that the Hindi version of this video has been uploaded at my YouTube channel. So you may go to the playlist and may easily find the Hindi version of this video. Here I will discuss where the wife is entitled to claim maintenance, or what are the grounds which is required to be fulfilled on the part of the wife to claim maintenance. So let's start the video. Wife is a perfect beneficiary whether she is divorced or not, but subject to one condition: if she is divorced, that she should not get remarried to claim maintenance under section 125. So what are the grounds? So there are the two grounds under section 125 clause first, which is required to be fulfilled on the part of the wife. First ground is she must be unable to maintain herself, and next one is her husband must have a sufficient means to maintain, even though he should neglect her to maintain. So these are the two important grounds. So how can you determine whether she is unable or able to maintain herself? If she does not have a sufficient source of income, or she does not have a good job, so by which we can easily understand that she is not capable to maintain. On the other hand, if husband have a sufficient source of income, has a good job, even though he is not paying maintenance to his wife, it means he is completely neglecting her. So these are the two grounds. Next, what are the grounds by which wife completely not able to claim maintenance from her husband? So there are the three grounds. 125 clause 4 provide these grounds. First, if she has an adulterous relationship with any other person other than the husband. Next one, if she refused to live with her husband without any sufficient reason. And third, if she lives separately with the mutual consent, means if both the parties have agreed to each other to live separately, it means they are living separately with the mutual consent, wife is not entitled to claim maintenance. So section 125 clause 5 provide the cancellation of the order. So whatever the grounds I have discussed in section 125 clause 4, so upon these same grounds, order may be cancelled. So if any order has been passed earlier in section 125 clause 1. So how much amount may be claimed? So this limit of amount has been unlimited by the Amendment Act 2001. So it is totally depend upon the discretion of the judicial magistrate or the family court, that what amount is appropriate or sufficient to for the purpose of the maintenance regarding the wife. So interim maintenance and the expenses of the proceeding may also be claimed in section 125 clause first. So what are the legal remedies if the husband fails to pay the maintenance? Under section 125 clause 3, if the husband without any sufficient reason does not comply with the order. So if he has a sufficient reason to not fulfill the order, this legal remedy cannot be availed on the part of the wife. But without any sufficient reason, he does not comply with the order. Here, husband may go to the imprisonment up to 1 month. But the application under section 125 clause 3 must be made within 1 year of the date of order. Order means order that has been passed under section 125 clause first. So what are the alteration of the amount? So if any order of maintenance has been passed under section 125 clause first, that order may be altered. So what are the grounds? Three grounds is here. First is if she has remarried. Next, if she has received some amount under customary or the personal law. And third one is if she has surrendered her right. So if any of three grounds is fulfilled on the part of the husband, that order may be altered. Now next one, whether a Muslim wife is entitled to claim maintenance? Answer is yes. Muslim wife is entitled to claim maintenance perfectly. In Shah Bano Begum versus M.A. Khan 1985, in this case, Honorable Supreme Court held that Section 125 is a secular law intended to serve the whole mankind, including the Muslims as well. So the Muslim husband cannot claim any type of immunity because they are completely bound to give the maintenance to their wives. Fact of this case is very interesting. In this case, one Muslim husband give divorce to the wife, and that lady was of 60 years of old, and this divorce was only intended to get second marriage on the part of the husband, and that marriage was with a sister-in-law of that husband. So this is a very interesting case. In this case, court clearly, outrightly held that Muslim woman is entitled. In a Shabana Banu versus Imran Khan 2009, in this case also Honorable Supreme Court held that a Muslim wife is completely entitled to claim maintenance. However, in a Daniel Latif case in 2001, Honorable Supreme Court already upheld that Muslim wife is entitled to claim maintenance. So hope you would like this video. Namaskar, Jai Hind.